Hello everyone, my name is Xiaohui Liu. I'm a computer science student studying at the University of Alberta. This will be my last demo video as a student at Review Board. What I'll be showing today is type-based keyboard shortcuts on each page. So this project includes a help dialog that shows keyboard shortcuts and their corresponding descriptions. And also this project includes some quick navigations on review request page. So first, on this all review request page, there's only one keyboard shortcut available, which is the tab plus H itself. So the plus sign right here represents a key combination, and the comma sign here represents you can press any comma separated key to trigger this shortcut. So now let's go to a review request page. And there are some fields on this page that are frequently being used. For example, the description field. In the past, we had to use the mouse to navigate through each fields. For example, if I want to um, if I'm doing adding description field, then I want to jump to testing done or summary. I have to use my mouse to press it and edit it. So now with the keyboard shortcut um, function, we can quickly navigate to, for example, summary field by pressing tab plus S. See, the summary field is now being, you can edit it. With this keyboard shortcuts, we can easily, more efficiently to navigate through the page. And now if we go to the div page and press tab and H to trigger the help dialog, you can see there are many keyboard shortcuts available. This is just to give you an example of what the help dialog looks like when a page has like many available shortcuts. And that's it. Thank you.